Welcome to Boreal News. Assam government issued order for night curfew from 8 p.m. till 5 a.m. In a bid to check more spread of COVID-19, the Assam government in an order on Tuesday imposed night curfew in the entire state. The restrictions will come into effect from 8 p.m. daily. The State Disaster Management Authority in its order said the curfew will remain effect till May 1. Movement and gathering of individuals will not be allowed during the curfew period. However, emergency services are exempted from restrictions. The COVID-19 situation in Assam has been reviewed. It has been observed that there has been a rapid increase in the number of active cases of COVID-19 across the state. It is felt that night curfew needs to be imposed in all districts of Assam except for essential and emergency activities services. The order signed by Chief Secretary Jishnu Barua said.
बीमार मैंने खुद भी क्या तुम्हारा मास्क कहाँ? हाँ? नामो नामो जब पेडल जा क्या देखा था ये? हाँ? 8 बजे से कर्फ्यू है मालूम नहीं है? जो भी हो भाई 8 बजे से कर्फ्यू है शादी हो जो भी होने से पहला में ठीक है परमिशन होने से आपको कर्फ्यू ब्रेक होने के लिए नहीं दिया था ठीक है तो नहीं होगा परमिशन में क्या क्या लिखा है देखो ना मास्क पहनने के लिए लिखा है कि नहीं.
Earlier on Monday, the government had ordered to shut all markets and shops by 6 p.m. across the state and made wearing of face masks mandatory even for a single person driving a vehicle. Health and Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has asked the authorities concerned to shut all educational institutions in Guwahati for 15 days after the state capital report. Reporting by Pankaj Timung and Suraj Burman, Boreal News.